Hi everybody, Robert back here, and we got a question today. I love my questions, and we're going to work with this video because this came out of this. I did a series on precast floors. So the question was, how could you make precast planks slope? Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to take this video here, this model, and I'm going to select this roof. Actually, a floor, but I'm going to delete it. Gone. Okay, so now I want to go to that roof level here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to load a beam system just for, let's see, actually I need some plank in here, so I don't think I got any plank in this file. So I'm going to go insert. Now let's try this first, sorry folks. So I'm going to go with my structure, beam system. And then here in the properties, I need to select the type of beam I want. And so here, I do have one. I got the Series F plank, and I'm going to select that. And then I'll just do a rectangular shape. So here is our spacing. So we're going to make this spacing 4 feet. And then I'm going to just do a rectangular shape from here to here. We'll bring our span this way. We'll click finish. So there's our plank, and let's go and look at this in our 3D view. So there's our plank. So it looks like we've got to bring this up a little bit. So I'm going to just select it here, and I'm going to offset this from the elevation here. Let's go up 6 inches or whatever to clear those walls. So there we go. So now, to make this guy slope, you can't do it in the beam system, I don't think. But what you can do, you can select these guys, and then you can remove the beam system. So now that beam system is removed. So if I select one of these planks, you can see here in the properties, you have start, level offset, end level offset. So that's basically why you can adjust these from per level. Like I said, it works just like a beam. Plank is really a beam. It's in a beam family. So I'm going to select, this might be the end. So let's go at the end, and let's say we want to raise that up 2 feet and click apply. Okay, so you see how that works? So now to do even better with that, I'm going to just undo it. I shouldn't have did it that way. Uh-oh. I'm going to do that again. Let's see. Okay. So I'm going to drop this beam system once again. I'm going to select one. And I'm going to right click, and I'm going to select all instances in the view. And then once again, we can go here, we can change this to whatever the slope is you're working with, or whatever the height is. So I'm going to say 3 here and click apply. So there's how you would slope this. But this is a flat roof, and you really wouldn't do this in a flat roof system. So I'm going to show you what else you can do here. So I think I got another model open here. Yeah, okay. So let's look at this project I've been working on. You've probably seen me do this. Now what we have here is we have, this is roof system, and it's a beam system as well. So what I can do for this, normally this is wood. Let me see if I got this one broken down. Let me see. Okay. See if I can undo this back a little bit, just to show you this. I want these both to be, yes, they are both beam systems. So what I want to do now, I want to take this guy and select it. Now see if we can do this. So you can go here, fixed, and change it to the 6x6 span creek plank, and then we want to change this to 4 feet. Click apply. So there you have your plank in its place. and it's sloping, and it works just like the beam system. So you can place these guys in here and pretty much do what you want. So I'm going to grab this again, this side, or I can drop the beam system if I like and remove it, and we can pick one, right click, just like we did in the other, select all instance in view, okay, and then we can change this up here though to our plank. And there you go. Okay, now what happened here? Okay, so we couldn't do it that way. We probably should, because it's taking that piece and changing it. So I'm going to just undo that. See that one? So it's probably best to do this in the beam system. Let me see if I can do that. Do the beam system here. We'll change this to 4. And we'll change this to the plank. Click apply. Now I think it's probably best afterward. Yeah, it would be best afterward to drop the beam system. So I'm going to select it here. Let me select this. I want to remove the beam system. And then we can make adjustments. Say you might want to copy this over, cut it down to its right size. Let's see if I can do that. Copy this. Let me see. Maybe we'll do in another view. Let's see if I can go on the top of this guy. Yeah. So you may want to move this, copy this from here. There's a lot of things you can do. Just like I said, this is basically how you would make plank slope if you wanted to do that. And then we might want to cut this piece back. Okay, so anyway guys, that's all I wanted to show you here. You wanted to see how, this is Jesse. I hope this helps Jesse. Thanks for watching my videos. Everybody please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. So yeah, that's how you would make plank slope. Pretty simple, straightforward. And yep. So hey guys. Thanks for watching. Let me tab views. So that's how you do it. You can make that slope any way you like, make any type of adjustments, but like I said, if you open this family up, oops, if I select this guy and I'm going to edit the type, edit the family, you'll see that it's basically the same as a beam. Not really too much difference there. So you can do whatever you do with a beam system with a plank. So you can slope it, do many, many things with it. So hey, thanks for watching again. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe and thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.